Hey guys, welcome back to Husky's Garage. We're gonna finish up. Don't have money to get it sandblasted, so this channel is all about always clean up your tools as you go. So this one, go ahead and put it up so you know where it's at next time instead of searching for it in the dirt, like I tend to do. Hey guys, welcome back to Husky's Garage. We're gonna finish up this week on that torque tube and the rear end, which I've already got out, and that'll be part of this video. And we're gonna start grinding out some of this old rust off this thing, see if we can't get some color on it. Might even try to get the engine out of the other side. Don't know how. We don't have an engine hoist, so y'all bear with us, and we'll see you soon. Okay, so to get I don't have a sandblaster. Don't have money to get it sandblasted. So this channel is all about doing stuff on a budget. So we're just gonna use an old cheater wheel. You can pick this up at Harbor Freight, Home Depot, anywhere you wanna go. Not that much money. And these work pretty well. It gets that rust off. It exposes the bare metal usually. See where your trouble spots are. But first, if you can see B down there, she's not dead. She's playing in the sun, basking. Anyway, we got to get that old e-brake cable off. So there goes nothing. Guys, little tech tip: always clean up your tools as you go. If you're done with this one, go ahead and put it up so you know where it's at next time instead of searching for it in the dirt, like I tend to do. Anyway, all right guys, so now since I'm pretty patient but I'm kind of excited to get this started, we're gonna go ahead and start chipping at this old rust in these pivots with this cheater wheel, see if it does any good or not. I'll show you the before and after and during. It's advised, if you're gonna do stuff like this, do it at your own risk. Make sure you wear a face shield or safety goggles or glasses rated for safety, closed-toe shoes, long pants, preferably like blue jeans, fire resistant stuff, or like welding gear, leather vest, leather gloves, that kind of stuff. I'm hard-headed, not gonna do any of that, mainly because I don't have most of it, but I do have closed-toe shoes on, long work pants on, and this shirt. I've been doing this for years, so I kind of can manipulate where I want the sparks to go. However, accidents do happen. For example, this week at work, I busted my head open running into the back of a machine. So just to let you know, do this at your own, your own risk, and just be careful. But anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying. Let's get to work, see what we can get out of this old frame. I will eventually be taking this bumper off too, so here we go. fellas. So you can see this is before. This is what it looks like. Get in there for you, see what it'll focus. There it is. And this is after first pass. You can already tell just from touch, it's a lot smoother. Obviously you can see the dimples in the old metal. I mean, this is what, a 70, 80-year-old truck. 73 years old. There we go. I can math today. But you can see where I stopped right here. The difference between the two edges. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that to the rest of this frame. And as we go, we're gonna cut out what we don't need that's in the way, that's gonna get replaced anyway. Make sure when you do this that you do the inside of the frame, like the inside of that I-beam over there as best you can, because you're gonna kill that rust. And once we get all this done, I'm gonna get some filler primer for automobiles. It usually will come in gray. Probably see me use it, but it'll fill these cracks, these little dimple holes up as best you can with that. And then we'll go back over it with some rubberized frame sealant primer paint that you probably also see me use. It's made for automobiles. That'll help preserve the rest of this whole frame. And we got a lot to go down, so I'm gonna let my wife probably do that side over there, and I'm gonna try to finish this side. I know she was excited about getting to help do this with me. So we appreciate you guys watching. We'll get some more thing going on here, and we'll get this uploaded, and hopefully you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you do. Greatly appreciate it. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. Right now we're at a little less than that, so I do appreciate everybody that has done. Yeah. That's night and day. Literally, the only thing I did was grind off some of that old dirt and rust. And I mean, you can see this is the patina under the bed. There it is. That's how dirty that is. Not rusted. And you can see this. What it looks like after you grind off all that mess. It's like a bronze filler. It looks like a nice looking. So we're gonna fill it up with some primer filler, and then get some frame paint that helps protect against rust and actually will eat the rust away and save and preserve the metal. The only thing in this truck we're changing is the rear end and the front suspension and the drivetrain. Everything else pretty much going to be the same. I got some ideas for the bed, but I actually want to keep this frame, this part of history. A lot of people tell me, we'll just go get an S10 frame and swap out the cab over the frame. To me, that's not, I mean, it's cool and all, it's not a classic car anymore. It's a modern frame with an old cab on top of it. That's basically what that is. And I get it. There's a lot of benefits to doing that, but I just like doing this. I like getting my hands dirty. I like to put my blood, sweat, and tears in my work. And to me, this is fun. I look forward to it each and every week, and I greatly appreciate everybody that watches and leaves me comments. Thank y'all for caring about my safety the other day. I really appreciate that. So we'll get some more up here for you. Hope you're liking. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate you. God bless. See you.